everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the ease of access setting in Windows 10. This particular setting contains a variety of options you can use to help you use Windows if you have certain issues that require it. So we have display, and I can make the text bigger or smaller. That's good if you have problems seeing small text and stuff like that. That's part of the display. If you go to the mouse pointer option, you could see you can make they call it a mouse pointer, bigger or smaller. You could change the appearance of the mouse pointer, and you can do custom colors to the mouse pointer itself. Text cursor, that's the one where you see the flashing in Microsoft Word. In this option you can make it bigger or smaller or change the color. You have a magnifier. It is basically a magnifying glass for Windows. So if you have problems seeing small text or whatever, you can zoom in and make the text bigger if you need to. Then you have color filters, and you could do certain color scales, grayscale and the color scale and stuff like that. And these are all the options down at the bottom of the screen. You could do high contrast, which is for the red, the green, the blue, and stuff like that. As you can see, it is on now. And you could do custom colors if you would like. You turn it off, it goes back to the default. So now we have narrator. This basically talks the commands that you are using. Here is a clip of that working.
Narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt plus O. Heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches the experience you may have had with other screen readers. Settings with narrator scan. Narrator heading level 1. Exiting narrator. Narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt. Settings window. Use narrator heading. Exiting narrator. Settings window. Narrator heading level 1. Settings window. Use narrator. Taskbar. Start window. Search. Search box. Edit. Type here to search. Taskbar. Pane. Search window. Search box. Settings window. Use narrator. Turn on narrator. Toggle switch. On. Taskbar. Settings window. Use narrator. Turn on narrator. Toggle switch. On. Exiting narrator.
Alright, so now we're done with that option. This is audio, so you could make it easier to hear, turn it up, turn it down, all that. Now, here's an interesting option. Windows 10 has a closed captioning option natively, and you could change the color of that. You could variety of colors and stuff like that. I have never had to use the closed caption on Windows, but this helps with certain needs people have natively. And yes, it's the same closed caption that you have on your TV. Did you have speech? There are devices out there that you could talk into, and it's speech to text, just like your phone. Windows 10 has that natively. Keyboard, obviously, mouse, and then there's eye control. Now, this is a very interesting thing. There are devices out there that you could use your eyes to control the computer, which is very, very interesting. I've seen those before. I like that. This is the display, back to the display. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.